IGMEDI is actually made up of 3 elements. It's Zumba fitness, window self-defense, and incorporating community local initiatives that are working in Egypt against sexual harassment or women's empowerment in general. Zumba fitness is a cardio dance fitness program with Latin-inspired rhythms. It mainly cardiovascular is like aerobics, so it basically works on, at first and foremost, is strengthening the heart, which you need to get, 2 to 3 times a week, honestly. At the same time, because it's dance-based, you're working on the coordination and you're following the teacher. And generally speaking, the teacher doesn't speak. He or she is just cueing which way to go, which means then the participant has to build on their hand-eye coordination skills. All of these elements are happening at the same time in Zumba. And then you're working out and you don't even feel like you're working out because it's fun.
سمعت كذا حد من صحابي بيقول زومبا حلوة وفي نفس الوقت رياضة، فبدأت أدور ولقيت أمالين قريبة من بيتي، فرحت وبدأت معاها من 1.5 سنة تقريبا.
Zumba fitness helps with situations such as sexual harassment because Zumba fitness helps with boosting your self-confidence, body awareness, and coordination, which are all important aspects when in a sexual harassment situation, whether it's just standing up for your space and realizing, no, it's my right to be here.
دايما كنت ببقى عايزة ان انا اقف وارفض اللي بيحصل حتى لو كانت كلمة، لان الكلمة بتضايق، بس ما كنتش عارفة اعمل ده ازاي. لكن بعد ما خدت الكلاس بتاع الويندو قدرت فعلا بقى عندي الجرأة ان انا اقف، عرفت ان ده حقي، ان انا ادافع عن حقي، وان انا اقف واقول له لا واعبر عن رفضي للي بيحصل. عرفت كمان ازاي ان انا اعمل كده، ايه اللي المفروض اعمله، ايه اللي مش مفروض اعمله، عشان ما احطش نفسي في موقف خطر اكتر او ادخل نفسي في مشكلة انا في غنى عنها.
I think because art and music and dance is so much a part of Egyptian culture that Zumba fitness is a sure win here. The Egyptian women love it, and it's a fun, since most classes are ladies only, it gives women a nice safe place to come and dance with each other, make new friends. It's become very popular here.
الزومبا فيتنس ساعدتني كتير في ده، لان هي خلتني احب جسمي، احب ان انا ابقى ست، ابقى واثقه من نفسي، ابقى فخوره وانا ماشيه في الشارع، انا مش ماشيه مكسوفه ولا ماشيه خايفه. في نفس الوقت ساعدتني ان انا ما بقاش ضعيفه، جسمي ببقى حاسه ان هو مش ضعيف.